So the question is that why do we need computer networks? Okay, why do we need computer networks? Okay, so first thing is that your data sharing, correct? So that is your data sharing. So what is the meaning of that? For example, if there is in one user, okay, and he has some sort of data, and he wants to send that data to the other user or other node. So for doing that, you must have some sort of computer networks as a backbone, right? That is one of the basic examples or basic reasons. Next thing is that your hardware sharing. So what is the meaning of hardware sharing? For example, if you have a hardware, for example, if you have a printer, correct, and if you have a printer and if you can put that printer over the network, okay, and then that printer can be shared, okay, and then the other user who have the access to this kind of network, and they can use it, okay, so they can use it. So for example, if you can put your printer in a sharing mode over the network, and other user they can use it. This is one of the reasons that you need to have a computer networks to support that kind of service, okay. And third one is that your user communications. For example, communications, okay. So what does it mean? For example, if you want to, if there is a one user and if he wants to send some sort of email, okay, or some sort of chat, correct. So to send this kind of things like email or chat to the other user, you must have computer networks as a backbone, right? So that is one of the reasons. And the final thing is what? Your application sharing, okay. So application sharing means that, what is the meaning of application sharing? Okay, application sharing. So application sharing, it means that, for example, if there's one server, okay, and in that server several applications are running on in that server. Now if you can put that server in a network or over in a computer network, then other user they can use that kind of applications, and they can have access to that kind of server, right? So you can share any kind of application over the computer networks, and other user they can get access to that kind of server, or they can use it, they can use those kind of server, okay, and they can use those kind of applications as well, okay.